Hi, Greg from DesignSpark coming to you from EDS. I'm on the Cypress stand and I'm talking to Graham. Hi Graham.
Nice to meet you, how you doing?
Not too bad. I see you've got the BT Pioneer kits and you're using Zerynth here to show some blockchain applications. So, you know, obviously with Zerynth and coding in Python, what's the kind of interest levels for that?
It's been incredibly popular for the university guys. There's a lot of interest in being able to use the Python-based design tools, copy and paste the code they've developed for maybe other applications that we've used in the past, or just found from sort of community websites and stuff, and actually just use that very quick to get up and started, and very powerful because they get to experience the hardware firsthand, get running with stuff that they've maybe not done in the past before as well. But very simple, very easy to use, and very popular. So yeah, God, we're showing something that people actually seem keen on.
Okay, cool. And do you see because it's Python, it's agnostic in terms of the hardware as well, that more people can use it for more potential applications, and is it freeing up a lot of ideas?
Yeah, I think it's giving people sort of indications of what they could do. It's making them think outside the box a little bit as well. But yeah, there's certain things very positive about using Python. It seems to be becoming more and more the standard language that people want to use, and moving away from embedded C for developing purposes. But yeah, sort of thinking of, you know, for IoT applications, especially where it's really sort of quick turn, and sort of, you say, looking at what they can do and what they couldn't do. You know, taking add-on boards from our partners to be able to sort of do sensing applications, process the data, push it to the cloud in easy to use ways. You know, we've got AWS and Ethereum blockchain running here. Stuff that they, you know, it's opening those ideas that they might not have even heard of blockchain before they sort of touch this idea.
Exactly.
So,
yeah.
You know, and we've been free to use and register for. The university's always like the free ease of use stuff, so it's been very popular.
And the board that you're showing today is the Bluetooth Pioneer kit. Could you just tell us a little bit more about that and sort of like the featers and what's great about this?
Yeah, so this is our BT Wi-Fi Pioneer kit. So it's got a PSOC 62 series microcontroller. That's the host device for our Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo radio chip. So it's the CYW43438, using a Murata module on there for ease of production. But it supports things like CapSense, cryptography. It's got a hardware cryptography block for secure applications, lots of digital and analog sensor interfaces, so analog to digital converters, op-amps for signal conditioning, a variety of serial communications blocks, timers, counters, PWMs. So most of the types of interfaces that people are looking for from a microcontroller, but also the PSOC 6 range is our ultra low power device, so incredibly low standby, deep sleep currents, and also active low power modes, which go down to sort of 8 megahertz processing, but at 320 microamps of current consumption. So very powerful, very powerful devices, but very low battery power consumption.
So definitely one to consider if you're looking for some IoT applications.
Yeah, any IoT applications where power consumption, performance, and ease of use is key, the BT Pioneer kit is the first point of contact.
Okay. Well, thanks for your time, Graham.
No worries.
It's been a pleasure speaking to you.